For best cutting performance, we advise to change your blade at the start of every season. Wearing gloves, hold the blade tightly to stop it rotating. Using a socket and ratchet or a suitable wrench, remove both blade bolts by turning anti-clockwise. Use a screwdriver to remove the blade bolt cover. Remove the blade bolt using a hex key. Hold the blade carrier to stop it spinning while you remove the bolt. Install the new blade bolt and tighten clockwise with a socket or wrench. Install the blade cap and then clip the blade cap retainer in place. Install the new blade with the wing tips pointing towards the mower deck. Blade will only fit one way. The markings on the blade should be visible. If the blade is fitted upside down, grass collection will be poor. Holding the blade, tighten the blade bolts clockwise using a socket or wrench and ensure they are well tightened.